Welcome to Web3WAR, the future of first-person shooters. Step into the world of Web3WAR, a free-to-play multiplayer first-person shooter that pushes the boundaries of skill-based gameplay and blockchain technology. Test your abilities in an unforgiving virtual battleground where only the best prevail. Game overview. Web3WAR is all about high-skill, fast-paced action. Compete in diverse game modes like Deathmatch, Kill Confirmed, and Gun Game. Whether you're battling out in team-based matches or going solo in a free-for-all, there's always a challenge waiting for you. Getting started. Ready to join the fight? Start by creating a Fusion Hub account. Once registered, download and install Web3WAR on your PC. It's that simple. Gameplay mechanics. Master the intuitive mechanics of sliding, jumping, and leaning to outmaneuver your opponents. Precision and quick reflexes are key to dominating the battlefield. Let's see their Season 2 Reloaded trailer.
Season 2 Reloaded of Web3WAR has landed. With an all-new way to earn, a new map, new skins, and a host of improvements, Season 2 Reloaded provides even more ways for you to play and earn. Let's get into it. The biggest change in Season 2 Reloaded brings ranked versus AI. Stake your FPS tokens solo or co-op versus AI, and earn with every win. This new mode brings ranked to your fingertips 24/7. No waiting, no relying on other players' connections. Just you and your skill versus the AI. But be warned, they won't go easy on you. Next up, Rooftop. This is the smallest map in Web3WAR. Taking cover and keeping your head on a swivel is vital to ensure your survival in this fast-paced map. Oh, and definitely, don't look down. Season 2 Reloaded also brings with it more pool party skins, the new character skin Emma, and a host of bug fixes and improvements to make this the most polished version of Web3WAR yet. So load in, frag out, and play in more ways than ever before. We'll see you on the server.
Now, let's see their Season 2 walkthrough. Customization and loadouts. Customize your loadout to suit your playstyle. Choose from a wide selection of weapons, attachments, and equipment. Each customization affects your weapon's performance, so find the perfect balance to gain the upper hand. Skill to Earn system. Earn rewards for your skill with the Skill to Earn system. Dominate your opponents to earn FPS tokens and in-game skins. These rewards are yours to keep and can be traded or sold thanks to the power of blockchain technology. Blockchain integration. Web3WAR leverages the Zilliqa blockchain to secure your tokens and skins. This high-performance blockchain ensures that your in-game assets are truly yours, enabling you to trade and sell them as you wish. Game modes and Season Pass. Enjoy unranked game modes for free or elevate your experience with the Season Pass. Compete in ranked matches, unlock exclusive skins, and access new seasonal content. Prove your dominance and earn more FPS tokens in ranked play. Ambassador Program. Become a Web3 warrior by joining the Ambassador Program. Gain exclusive benefits, early access to new seasons, and help shape the future of Web3WAR. Don't wait. Download Web3WAR today and dive into the action. Sign up for the Ambassador Program and showcase your skills in ranked matches to win FPS tokens. Are you ready to become a legend on the battlefield? Links and community. Join the Web3WAR community on Telegram for the latest updates and connect with fellow players. Visit w3w.game to download the game and join the Fusion Hub. Web3WAR unique features. Web3WAR offers regular seasonal updates, bringing new skins, weapons, game modes, and maps. Customize your character and weapons with a constantly growing selection of cosmetic skins and stickers, all minted as NFTs on the Zilliqa blockchain. Truly own your in-game items and trade them on the market on the Fusion Gaming Hub. Competitive play. Compete in ranked matches through the Season Pass, featuring improved graphics and additional game mechanics. Earn FPS tokens through the Skill to Earn system, which rewards skilled players for their performance. Season Pass holders gain access to exclusive seasonal content and cosmetic items. Fusion Gaming Hub. Web3WAR is downloaded and launched through the Fusion Gaming Hub. Registering an account creates a wallet on the Zilliqa blockchain, where your tokens and skins are securely stored. The Fusion Gaming Hub supports a marketplace for trading NFTs and tokens related to games on the platform. Web3WAR Community. Join the growing Web3WAR community, engage with fellow players' Telegram channel, stay updated on new releases, and participate in community events. Web3WAR v3.3 is now live with Season 2 content and an exciting Season Pass. Join the battle, earn rewards, and become a legend. Visit w3w.game to download now. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more updates and gameplay tips. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay informed about the latest from Web3WAR. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or want to share your thoughts. See you on the battlefield.